This is Dave with My Baby Detailing. We always like showing you some of the special cars we get in here, and this is one of the latest. So this is a 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT. That alone makes it a pretty cool car, but this one, super special. Let's check out the mileage on this model. Yep, that's right. This 2008 Dodge Challenger has less than 150 miles. So even though it's a 17-year-old car, it's really a brand new car. So why do we have it here? Well, the owner is a perfectionist. He got this, looked at it, realized that it had been in storage, obviously, for quite some time, but they had used a California duster to keep it clean and put in some little bitty scratches, as those dusters tend to do, and he wants those gone. So even though this would look absolutely spectacular to anybody walking by, it's not yet as perfect as it could be, which is why he brought it here to us at My Baby Detailing. So we're gonna go through and we're gonna polish this out and make it even better, so this extraordinarily low mileage Dodge Challenger SRT will look as close to perfect as it possibly can. All right, so part of the preparation on this car, even though it has less than 150 miles on it, it is a 17-year-old car. So we're putting some iron decontamination chemical on there to remove any iron that may have gotten on this thing, as it's been sitting in storage for the last decade and a half. We're gonna then rinse that off after it's had time to activate, and then proceed with a very careful hand wash. You might wonder, why are we doing it outdoors? Well, we've been blessed with a perfectly overcast day today. So as good as our lighting is in the shop, it's not as good as God's lighting. He's given us amazing lighting. It's overcast, so we don't have to worry about the hazards that come from washing a car in direct sunlight. It's very cloudy today. We've got fantastic lighting. And in a car where the defects are as minor and minuscule as they are on this Dodge Challenger, we need perfect lighting so that we can see each and every one of those imperfections to bring this thing back to the luster it deserves. All right, so now we got the Challenger back inside. Saw a lot of defects that we're gonna have to correct while we were outside. You bring it back in again. We've got great lighting in the shop, but the ambient lighting even here, you don't notice a lot of defects, but when we spotlight it up close, now you can see not quite perfect. Again, better than 99% of the cars on the road, but nowhere near where we or the customer want this car to be. So we're going to begin the polishing process to get rid of some of those imperfections in the paint and make it look truly spectacular. right, the guys have finished the polish. They've got a fresh coat of wax on it. Let's see if we can tell the difference here when we light up the side that we looked at earlier. If you remember, when we looked at it earlier, you could see a lot of fine swirling, and all of that is now gone, and just a clear, glossy paint on this beautiful, ultra low mile 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT. Let's pull it outside and see how she looks in the sun. Here it is, the Dodge Challenger from 2008, 150 miles, looking amazing. She looked good coming in. She looks next level now. So the guys, again, as you saw in this video, did a full paint correction, put a hand applied paste wax on it, and now it's truly as spectacular as it ought to be. 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT, less than 150 miles, looking absolutely spectacular. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. See some of the other amazing cars that we have here at My Baby Detailing.